Hey guys, welcome back to our homestead. So, for years, ever since we bought the place, we've had this natural sloping hill that's been great for sledding and all kinds of fun. And now with the heat, we thought it was time, as our kids got older, to make this. We spent pretty well all afternoon in there yesterday, and even with wearing sunscreen, I think we're about all baked tomatoes. But anyways, yeah, we're trying to keep it super low maintenance. We're planning to build a little deck there where the dirt patch is all leveled off. We've got a tarp that we just put in as a liner. It's a really thick tarp. And the little, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a little blue thing that's kind of bobbing around there in the water. That is our little chlorine dispenser. And it's helping to keep things low maintenance as well. And then we've got a little thermometer stick that's floating on the bottom right now, just so that whenever we want to, we can go check the temperature of the water. It's been steadily going up still. I think, was it Thursday or Friday when we stopped filling? And the water at that time was a very chilly 16 degrees Celsius, so that was pretty cold. Yesterday when we were in there, it was about 20, 21, so that was definitely a lot better, and especially with the heat that was coming down yesterday, that cold water felt very, very good. But it was so cold still that it was like, gotta ease my way into there. This morning I checked, and it was almost at 22 degrees already, so it's climbing up there. By the time our sunburns are all healed up, I think it'll be a good temperature that we'll be ready to go in there again. And we've got a little pump that we bought. It's just sitting in this corner closest to me. And then we've got a hose that goes kind of to the other end, and we're circulating the water, and that's helping us to keep down all the junk. With the chlorine dispenser, we don't need any algicide, and yeah, we are looking forward to having a lot of fun with it yet. We're going to plant some grass seed where the dirt is now and move our fire pit down there too, so that we can have fire pit poolside. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, or if you have any questions about how we've done this, or suggestions or anything, feel free to leave that in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. Hit that thumbs up button and the notification bell if you want to be notified whenever we post a new video, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye, guys.